This is a 1999 Nissan Maxima. We're going to be replacing the starter. It spins, but it's not engaging with the engine. So let's loosen this battery. There we go. There we go. This is pretty much loose. Next thing we're going to do is remove these intake hoses. Alright, get this intake hose. Spin it to break it free. There we go. I got another one over here. Spin it to break it free. There we go. I got a small one here. Well, of course that would be the one that's not budging. Alright, next thing we're going to do is remove this airbox and also this bracket as well. It's a 10. Got this bracket free. Alright, let's loosen up these clamps. I got that loose. I got another one here. Use a screwdriver. As a reason of this clamp, you're going to remove this connector here that's pretty much a mass airflow sensor. And just push it in as far as you can. Until it clicks in like that, and you can just pull it off. And when you plug it back up, it'll automatically pop back. Okay. Now let's undo these clamps. Look like there's supposed to be a connector there. Alright, let's do this one as well. Loosen this up. Get this whole area open. Make sure there's no connectors. Go. Good looking air filter. And next, we got a sensor on here. Push it in again. It's giving me a hard time. And now we can at least see our starter there. I'm gonna remove this tin so you guys can get a better view. It's a little rusty. I hope it doesn't break. Alright, let's see here. We're good. Okay, alright. Let's see what we got. We got this connection here. And then also we got a bolt up top, which you can't really see. There's one on the side. Down there. I'll get a light. Got a light. There's a bolt up top. See, there's one down here, and there's one down here. those are your bolts. Alright, let's remove these two bolts. One on top is a 12, not a 13. But I'm just loosening up by hand because I got it loose anyway. Alright. Okay. One on bottom is a 12. Correct, yep. Let's loosen up this 12. Let me see here. There you go. Got a washer. Here's another cable as well. Just got to remove, more so ground. That washer back. I have to loosen up those two bolts. Take this connection, just slide it forward, like so. Alright, sorry, I was talking to the customer. Alright, then once you move this forward, just push down like your average clip and pull out. Alright, let's get some of this stuff out the way so we can get to those two bolts. Let's find out what size that is. Alright, let's start to remove those two bolts. Top one's a 14. Let's break it free. Oh, actually not that tight. Here we go, it's the top one. Alright, now we're going to move on to the bottom bolt. And next, we're going to remove that bolt, which is a 17. So you guys can see it. Right. Here's the bolt. It's a long 17mm. And now you can move the starter. Granted, nothing else is in your way. Like this, which is actually supposed to be on the battery. That's all the way down there. Okay. Let's get the starter out. Let's get the harnesses out your way. And just pull back and up. And here's your starter. Alright, I'll show you guys how to install it as well. Alright, so here's our new starter. Time to install it. Alright, let me see here. Yep. Install it the same way we removed it. Go on, girl. Here we go. And let's get this bolt in there. Take off my watch. Alright, so if I get my hand through there, guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. But I just got a few hand threads. I'm gonna do the same thing with this top bolt. Try to get a few hand threads in first. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna tighten those down. Alright. Now we're just going to tighten this up. Do the same thing to this top bolt. Make sure it's tight. Do not break it. And do the same thing to this bottom bolt. I wasn't done tightening that up. Alright, make sure that's tight. There we go. Pull off your socket. Okay, then you install the cable there. And we're gonna make sure that's tight. It's probably a 12. And let's make sure this is tight. Not over torque. And next we have our electrical connections. Just plug it in. Like so. And take it out, same way. And plug it in. And now you slide it onto this retainer here. Doesn't move. And now we gotta install the airbox and battery and intake hoses.